Hi guys, well I'm sharing what's for dinner this week with you. I'm starting out with a HelloFresh meal, and I have done these before and they're really good, and I want to try vegetarian this time. So all the vegetarian selections looked really good this week, but this is what we are having tonight. It's a yellow squash flatbread with a side salad. And if you remember, everything comes nicely in this bag, and you can recycle the bag, and it comes everything you need. What I like is when you take everything out, you can use it kind of as your trash bag and discard it that way. So this just shows you everything you get. Your vegetables, I'm gonna get to cutting those, the cheese in its own little pouch, the greens for the side salad, scallions, basil, and of course the flatbread. So I've got my flatbread all laid out here, all my prep work done, tossing the veggies. I'm toasting up my pine nuts, and then I will get ready to do the squash. So I got my pine nuts all toasted and waiting, and I'm just browning up the squash a little bit, and then I'll show you when it's all assembled. Oh my gosh, you guys, how good does this look? It has like a little drizzle of honey, you can see. This is like totally my kind of meal. That's why I was really excited about this week's vegetarian offers, right up my alley. Have our side salads here. This is what it looks like, getting ready to eat. And be sure to check out the link below. You can go to HelloFresh.com and enter the code MissCrystal30 for $30 off your first week. Stay tuned to see what we make tomorrow. So tonight we are gonna have the spinach and artichoke pasta bake. That's what it looks like. It looks good. Of course, everything laid out here. I love this little jar of artichokes, so cute. Spinach, everything you need. And again, like I mentioned, the bag is reusable. I love just throwing all the garbage in there. Easy cleanup. So I'll show you once it starts going. So my pasta's done, and I've just wilted the spinach, added in the artichokes and tomatoes, and then the two different kinds of cheeses. I'm melting that. That's some cream cheese there. Toasted up the panko, and then I'm gonna assemble it and put it in the oven, and I'll show you what it looks like right before I do that. So here we are right before it goes in the oven, and just to let you know, this is an 8x8 baking dish, and I think it fits in there fine. You could have also used a oven safe pan, the one you were doing the panko crumbs in. I just thought it was easier to do them separate. So basically this is the whole mixture together, and then you add the Parmesan to the panko, sprinkle that on top, so that's what you're looking at there, and then it just goes in the broiler for about 3 to 5 minutes. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. You know, it's a little dark there, and that was it. My oven cooks strange though, so just keep your own oven in mind. That was at 3 minutes, like slightly under 3 minutes. This is what it looks like plated. So this was a really quick cook meal, definitely under 30 minutes. That's what I love about HelloFresh. Most of their meals are 30 minutes or less, so you're not spending all evening in the kitchen. You know, all the ingredients are pre-laid out for you, so it goes really quick and easy. So this is really good. We both really like it. We both just went back for a little bit more. It has just the right amount of like seasoning, and I love the little crunch of the panko. So this is really good. Hey everybody, well for tonight's meal, we are doing the grilled cheese and veggie jumble. And I don't know if you can tell, it's like grilled piece of cheese, veggie. So I have already chopped up the sweet potato and onion, drizzle with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper. So this is getting ready to go in the oven to roast. And then you have a like cilantro chimichurri. Now I don't like cilantro. I don't mind a tiny bit of it, but I don't like big mouthfuls of it. So I'll improvise a little. And then here's the grilling cheese. I still need to cut up my tomato and my avocado. Oh, there's my oven. And I will get back with you after these come out of the oven. So where I'm at now, I've cut up the grilling cheese, avocado. I've used a little bit of my garlic, a little lemon. I have the tomatoes halved. So I just skipped the cilantro, which you totally could do, and still use the olive oil, lemon, make like a little chimichurri. Just won't have the cilantro in it, because my husband said he didn't really care if it was in there either. I have my sweet potatoes and my onions in the oven. They probably have maybe about 10 more minutes to go. Got my pan ready to do the grilling cheese. And so here's what everything looks like tossed together. The sweet potatoes out of the oven, sweet potatoes, onions, the avocado, tomato. I just flipped over the grilling cheese so you can see what it looks like. It holds together really well. It reminds me kind of like a really stiff mozzarella. So look how beautiful this looks. This is what I love about HelloFresh. It gives me new ideas of things to try, gets me out of my comfort zone. You try things that, you know, you would have never thought to make on your own. I seriously look forward to getting HelloFresh because of this. I took a little bite so I could tell you I was really curious about the cheese. It's really good. All the flavors really mesh. I personally don't miss the cilantro. If you love cilantro, it would probably be even better, but with the lemon and the olive oil and the garlic and everything, it was great. You could probably add your own dressing if you wanted, if you didn't like the, you know, cilantro. So don't forget, you can click the link below and you can go to HelloFresh.com and get $30 off your first week with code MissCrystal30. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.